Southwestern Pot Pie. We got a couple shortcuts. First, the rotisserie chicken. Then these frozen vegetables you get in the freezer section. They got your onions, your red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and that's it. It's got all your Southwestern stuff ready. If you want to chop them, go ahead. But this is a quick thing you can do, save a little time. On Thursday, as you're starting to roll it in, the weekend, you know? 3 tablespoons of butter in a cast iron skillet.
Okay.
Right?
Save on cleanup.
Save on cleanup. If you got a nonstick cast iron skillet, you're doing things right in your home. While that starts to melt, I'm gonna get a jump start on the blooming of my spices, some chili powder.
Well, that's smart.
A little paprika, and then a little cumin, right? While that's happening, we're gonna move it around a little bit. You smell, I mean, just this simple 30-second step, blooming these spices makes the difference. And that's a Jeff Mauro guarantee. Okay, you see it bubbling? Oh, look at that, Jeffrey. It almost looks like caramel, but it's not. It's spices and butter. Yeah. We got 2 tablespoons of AP flour. Come on, we're having fun, right?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Okay, a lot of fun. All right, we're gonna, kind of get the beginning of a roux going quickly. A little bit of that melange of frozen Southwestern style vegetables, onions. Look at that. So we're gonna kind of let these
hang out, right?
Kind of get a jump start.
They're cooked, right?
They're cooked. There's not much you need to do with it. We kind of brought our roux to where it needed to be, cooked it for about 30 seconds. And now we can start adding all of our other Southwestern vibes. So there's some frozen corn.
Corn.
If you got the fresh stuff, please use it, but we are in winter times.
I think this is a recipe that kids would really like, too.
Exactly. We're going to use some chipotle, so you can omit that. Some black beans. Coat it all up. Look at that. Oh, Jeffrey. Hey-ho. Sonny, chicken's going good?
Yep, going good on the chick.
Some of the adobo from the chipotle engaging on your spice level in your home. There's a couple dots in there. But what I love about the chipotle, it is smoked jalapeno, so it's a really good way to kind of cheat a smoky flavor without having to use like liquid smoke or something. And then those canned green chilies we love. Okay, in there, a little...
This is really like a January wake-me-up comfort food. A lot of spices, a lot of vibrant flavor.
Especially, again, when you're kind of over the lambs and the hams and the turkeys. This is right in the Southwestern vibe. We're gonna let this kind of simmer. And then there is one more secret ingredient to make this even quicker. Alex.
Is it?
You want to come open it up? Or?
Oh, God, I can do that.
Are we confident? We had a previous episode. All right.
Okay, Alex, come on, girl.
All right, once Katie helps me with half of it.
All right.
No, you guys are...
Ready?
You just needed it started.
There you go.
Now, wait. It
I always,
says
like, get
press
afraid of the
spoon
pot.
at the seam.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go. She got it.
Sure, that works.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Bring those biscuits back.
All right, chicken's going in here. Biscuits are unpopped. So we got this thing. This is bursting with a lot of great veg in here. All that chicken's gonna soak it up. It's gonna kind of wilt a little bit. We don't need to cook that chicken any further, but we do need is to activate these biscuits. Sonny, we're gonna have these on the equator.
Let's do it.
Right? And,
peel through.
Right, peel through, so find kind of that natural seam in there. You could shut this off. So our heat's off, and now we can put these on like you would a pot pie.
Yeah, it's like almost like a cobbler.
Yeah, or like chicken and dumplings, stuff like that. And that's why you're like, there's so much stuff in that pan. What are we gonna do? Well, you want these biscuits to, you want them to rise. You want them to be exposed to as much heat. And these are gonna kind of activate, puff up. You're gonna have a couple extra halves, but that's okay, Sonny, because those are gonna go in right next to it and a little something extra.
Yeah, you can make a little tiny,
and then recharge
rampant.
it. Recharge it, do a little reboot. 350, about 13 to 15 minutes till golden brown. Oh, man. Oh, Jeffrey, how jello are you right now, brother? Look at that. Strength. Going in there, hot oven, bring it out, ready to go, easy breezy, quick.
And easy.
Oh, come on
Southwestern chicken pot pie. I got toppings to go with this. Jeffrey, let me get a spoon for you. We got some Fresno chili, some whole leaf cilantro, a little lime, a little crema.
Wow, look
That's
at that
beautiful.
chicken.
Have some
Look
yo-yo.
at that. Oh, we're gonna get you some yo-yo. Look at that. I just got a little something on the side there, so you got a little extra.
I like the way you started out with so much liquid in the bottom, so when you bake it, it's really moist.
Look at
Chicken pot pie, I find sometimes tricky. Because sometimes it just doesn't, it's too thick, it's the right ratio of...
Or it doesn't set up.
It doesn't, it's so odd, right?
It can be gluey.
Yeah, it can be gluey. Jeff, that is beautiful. First of all, eye appeal, gorgeous.
Again with the Fresno chilies.
Gorgeous.
They're having a moment.
This is it, man. Jalapeno, I gotta say. I hear.
A little passe.
Bye-bye.
Oh my God, is a jalapeno over?
I think so.
It's never over.
It had a good millennia. Let's be honest. Maybe even an eon.
First of all, there's no way that this took 16 minutes in the oven.
Yep.
It tastes like it's been cooking all day in a slow cooker.
Yep.
Everything is balanced. The adobo, I don't taste the spice at all. It's just perfect, that deep, dense, rich flavor. It's light. It's not a lot of pastry, which sometimes the pastry ratio is not correct. This is such a good spin.